Welcome all. This is the next part of Neoclassical Age. Let's have a brief look on the topic. This is Augustan Age, the age of Pope. This age was an age of clubs and coffee house culture where political issues used to be discussed. This is a period of literary eminence in the life of nations, so named because during the reign of Emperor Augustus, Virgil, Ovid, and Horace, Tibullus, etc., are flourished in this period. In English literature, this is the period of Pope and Addition. Steele, Gay, Swift, Prior, Defoe, and Congreve. They all perfected the heroic couplet and the development of clear logical prose style in their works. The age of Pope had a classical evenness, a preference for wit and elegance, and for intellectual rather than emotional satisfaction. Its traditions survived throughout the greater part of the 18th century, notably in the writings of Johnson, Goldsmith, and Sheridan. This is the age of Queen and prose. The 18th century, this is the age of prose. The establishment of periodicals, the beginning of prose, fiction, predominance of political satires, and plain prose. Daniel Defoe is one of the writers who wrote Robinson Crusoe, Captain Singleton, Moll Flanders, A Journal of the Plague Year, Colonel Jack Rexona, and Memoirs of Cavalier. These are stories of adventures and low life. Jonathan Swift is the most famous writer who wrote Gulliver Travels, it is a political satire. The Battle of the Books, A Tale of a Tub. Richard Steele and Joseph Addison are also most famous writers of this age. Tatler and Spectators published by them. Journalism flourished in this age. This is an age of Pope. Alexander Pope is very famous in this age. He wrote essay on criticism, The Rape of the Lock. It is a mock epic in which Belinda is a famous character. The Essay on Man, Dunciad, satire on poets and writers. Translation of Homer. The Essay on Man is a philosophical work in verse which contains 4 epistles. Matthew Prior, Edward Young, Parnell, and is the Countess of Winchelsea. Steele and Addison are the prose writers. Steele wrote The Fundle, Lying Love, Tender Husband, Conscious Lovers. They published essays in Tatler, Spectator. It is a joint effort of Steele and Addison. It contains 635 essays, in which Addison wrote 274 and Steele 240. They also published The Guardian. Addison, who is most famous prose writer, he wrote Rosamund, Cato, Drummer, Cavalry Paper. Tatler and Spectator are co-work of Steele and Addison. They are most famous in their Tatler and Spectator essays. We hope you like this video. Thank you.